Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Not So Vegan Kitchen. And today, you guys, I am making fried chicken cauliflower. Yes, I said it. We're making fried chicken cauliflower. So, you guys, I was inspired by Sweet Potato Soul. If you guys haven't checked out her video, definitely check it out because it's amazing. But your girl put a little twist on it, you know. So if you guys want to see how I make this recipe, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so if you watched my onion ring video, this is pretty much the same batter, different seasonings, so let's get into it. We have 2 cups of flour here, 2 separate bowls, and we're going to use this bowl as our batter and this is our dredger. So in this one, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of water, okay, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. All right, so we're also going to add a cup of beer. And then we have a tablespoon each of seasoning. So this is a tablespoon of parsley flakes, onion powder, this is Old Bay, garlic powder, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, and chili powder. And then we're just going to mix this up. Of course, careful not to overmix since we're working with the beer. But we just want to get that wrapped around there really good. All right, so we're also going to add another half a cup of beer. All right, so this should be like pancake batter. Alright, so in our other batter, we're just going to add those same seasonings to the mixture. And we're just going to mix that up really good. Alright, we're adding some smoked sea salt. Salt and pepper to taste, of course, but alright, so in this one we're going to also add some smoked sea salt and pepper. Again, to your liking, because remember we have Old Bay in here that has some salt in it. But I'm a firm believer in over seasoning my batter because I like flavor. Alright you guys, so what we're going to do is we have cauliflower here, we're just going to get that good and coated in there. And you can use utensils if you want, but I just get all the way in there. And then we're going to put it in here. And of course, you want to use separate hands when doing this so you don't get it all mixed up. And I like to double batter mine, so we're going to go back in there. Because we want some crunch on this thing. Back in and around. And out. And in again. right, it's time to fry these up. Alright, you guys, we're all done. This is the fried chicken cauliflower. It looks so good. It's gonna be spicy, so I guess it's spicy fried chicken cauliflower. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You know I love you guys so much. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.